Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Playbux token. Ticker symbol is Pbux, Pbux. And it was just announced that this is a new launchpad project coming to a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the info on the Playbux token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Playbux. They looks like they have Medium articles, they have a Telegram, they have a Twitter, they have all sorts of different links at the bottom of their webpage. Now, their webpage here is at playbux.co. At the bottom of their page, it says they have Facebook, Discord, Medium, Telegram, Twitter, contact email. So that's where you're going to find all the links is on that web page there. And they have a login and register button. There's a game here. It says how to play. There's also announcements. There is on their Twitter, they have 535,400 Twitter followers. So this is a very popular project. It says they're from Singapore. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find this project here at Playbuxco. And then just recently, it was announced here on Bybit's Twitter, at Bybit_official. It says new launchpad project, Pbux, is coming soon to Bybit. Stay tuned for updates. Now, it doesn't give an exact date on Bybit's Twitter. It just says ready for launch, and you can find that on Bybit's Twitter. But on Playbux's Twitter, which is in the corner of the screen there, you can see in the banner, it says Pbux listing April 23rd. So that's like 11 days from now. It says mark your calendars for the big day. So, if you do want to get this token, you'll have to have a Bybit account. I know Bybit is not available in everyone's country, but I'm sure it's a very big project and it's going to be listed on a ton of exchanges in the future. But it looks like the first launch pad is going to be on Bybit here. So you could download Bybit from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store or get it on your PC. And then open an account, and then on April 23rd or whenever Bybit announces that this Launchpad event is going to start, you'll go into the Launchpad section and search Pbux, and then you can get involved with this launch. But if Bybit's not available in your country, you are going to have to wait, unfortunately, until it gets listed on other exchanges. Now, it actually has in their pinned tweet on there a little bit more information I just noticed here. It says token Pbux price 1 Pbux token equals 0.075 USDT. Total allocated to Bybit Launchpad 4 million Pbux tokens, and then it has snapshot period, and it says that is going to happen between April 18th. So that's coming up in 6 days, and that goes until April 22nd. It says subscribe to token allocation, maintain a daily average balance of 50 MNT or more during this period. So there's all sorts of different information here about the snapshot period, the subscription period, the distribution period, and then the actual just launch for trading happens on April 23rd. So That's how you get involved with this project. If you want to get involved early, you can go into the snapshot, the subscription, the distribution. But if you want to just get involved with getting the token, it is on April 23rd, 12 p.m. UTC time. And probably around April 23rd, it'll be listed on a whole bunch of other central exchanges as well. So yeah, that's it's going to be a big project, I'm sure. So they have, if you go to their webpage, playbux.co, they have an About Us section. They talk about their KCEX wallet and Trust Wallet partnerships with their project, and then their white paper. Looks like their let me see here. So they have the Pbux token white paper. It says, since Playbux was selected as one of the last 14 candidates from the Binance Incubator Program Season 4 in 2022, it has embarked on a remarkable journey marked by significant milestones. So that's why, this project is so popular, because of, Binance, and it's been around since 2022. That's where they got all those Twitter followers and things like that from. So with over 17 million transactions processed and the active participation of 400,000 wallets during the pre-alpha event, the project has garnered widespread attention and support, and we are delighted to announce the much-anticipated public sale and listing scheduled for April 2024. So there's a big article here in their announcement channel that you could check out there about the Pbux token. So there's the utilities for this token is earning, spending, gaming, and fees. So that they talk about all those different things. There's in-game assets like NFTs. You can compound. It says real income, no inflation. Then there's spending. You could buy different things like Pebbles, Bricks, or BRK. There's gaming. And then the tokenomics down here. So there's a total supply of 400 million Pbux tokens. We got 2% going to public sale and launch pool, 15% investors, 4% KOLs, 10% liquidity, 20% treasury, 25% protocol rewards and marketing, and 23% goes to the team. And so they have tons of information about that on their announcement channel, and then they have a whole article too. It says About Us, and they have all sorts of different gaming things involved. It says Shop to Earn. They have Walk to Earn, Watch to Earn, Play to Earn, all sorts of stuff. Like, so much stuff to go over. Their webpage is super cool as well, so check it out. Now it says this is on the BNB chain here. Their NFTs are on the BNB chain. It looks like it says amassing a trading volume exceeding 1,600 BNB on Opensea. So that is a lot. But yeah, you can check out all this project, all the info on this project at playbux.co. They have an announcement channel you could click. They have Medium articles, all sorts of socials there. And then April 23rd is going to be their big listing date. They have the launch pool prior to that on Bybit. And then stay tuned. I'm sure there are going to be more listing announcements besides Bybit as it gets closer to April 23rd. So follow their Twitter there. That's in the corner of the screen. And let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.